Hello everybody, welcome to our first achievement assembly of the year. I am so proud and so delighted about how well all of our students have settled back into school. It's been brilliant to welcome so many amazing new students to the school, and it's been fantastic to welcome back all of our previous students. The teachers across school and the teaching assistants have been telling me how amazing you've all been and actually how brilliant it is to see all of your achievements. But today we're going to celebrate some great individual students. And you know, if you keep working hard and keep trying your best at everything and enjoying your schooling, then maybe you're going to get an award next month. So let's sit back and enjoy and celebrate some wonderful individuals. Our first achievement award goes to James in yellow class. James, you have settled into the new school so well and you have been responding so positively to adults in your class. James, we're incredibly proud of you. Keep it up. Well done, James. So now we're going into blue class. And in blue class, they want to say a big well done to you, Scarlett. Scarlett, you have settled in so well to your new class and you have been having so much fun with all of the sensory activities. They absolutely love having you. Keep it up. You've been amazing, Scarlett. Well done. So now it's time to celebrate Milo from red class. Milo, you were introduced to a brand new story and you explored all of the props and the characters for an extended period of time without any adult support. We have been so impressed with how engaged you've been for that time and all of the time that you've been in red class. Well done, Milo, you're amazing. So now we're going to celebrate Arthur from orange class. Arthur, you have absolutely blown us away since the beginning of the year. Not only have you settled into your new class beautifully, your listening skills have been absolutely incredible. Arthur, I am so proud of how you are in school. It's just been a tremendous journey and we are just so delighted. Well done, Arthur. You're truly amazing. Keep it up. So, white class, it's time to celebrate Haneen. Check you out, Haneen, in these photos. This is the first time you've experienced using a walker and you are getting quicker every day and you've been extending the time that you're in your walker. Not only that, Haneen, you are so excited to use it. These photos just show us how amazing you are. We're really proud of you, Haneen. You're incredible. Well done. So now we're moving into pink class. And in pink class, we're going to celebrate a seal. A seal, it was absolutely lovely to see you coming back into school at the beginning of the term. And you know what? You've got this award for simply being amazing. Your attention of past and new learning has just blown us away, and your huge progress in your personal care skills is something that we are so proud of as well. A seal, you're incredible, well done. Congratulations, Zia from green class. You have got a head teacher's award. Now, Zia, when you came back in September, you were a little bit nervous about coming back into school, but you have settled in beautifully. You are always trying so hard and you have been contributing to all of your lessons. Zia, you're amazing. Well done. So now we've gone to purple class. And in purple class, we're saying congratulations and well done to Scarlett. Scarlett, these photos just show us how incredible you are. You have been trying really hard to drink out of your new cup and you have been persevering so much when writing your name. Scarlett, you're amazing, you're brilliant, well done. So now I'm in the final class in primary and it's grey class and we say congratulations and well done to Udom. Udom, you have been using your classroom chair, which you really didn't want to use, but you've been doing it with a great big smile, and you have been described as being a superstar at going into your sling when using the hoist. Udom, this is just brilliant. You keep it up and keep up that beautiful smile. Well done, Udom, we're so proud. So moving into Key Stage 3, we're going into 3L and we're saying, well done to Holly. Holly, you have demonstrated excellent independent skills and you have been making friends with the new pupils and really importantly, setting a really good example in class. Holly, this is a tremendous start to the term. You keep going. Well done, Holly. So Neve, in 3MB, you have got a Head Teachers Award. Neve, you have started the new academic year so well. You have been extremely mature throughout the day, including helping your peers and working so hard and concentrating. Not only that, Neve, you have been giving super answers within all of your lessons. You are just excelling at the moment. Everybody is so proud of you. Well done, Neve. So next we say, well done to Courtney from 3T. Courtney, you've done some fantastic independent work, particularly looking at 3D shapes in maths. The team have been really proud of you and you've been brilliant. So well done, Courtney. Keep up that good work. So Charlie from 3MH, you've got a Head Teachers Award. Now Charlie, you've only started with us a few weeks ago, but you've settled in so well to your new class. And the staff are so proud because you've been working extremely hard in all of your lessons. That's just brilliant, Charlie. Well done. So now I'm going into 3S. And Joshua, a Head Teachers Award is coming your way. Joshua, you're new to Sherbourne, but you have settled in so well. You're really getting to know the new school routines. So well done, Joshua. We're really proud. So the Head Teachers Award for 3C goes to Taylor. Taylor, this photo shows it all. Your incredible numeracy work, completing, sorting and sequencing has been just brilliant. Taylor, we're so proud of you. It's brilliant to have you at Sherbourne. Well done, Taylor. So now we're in 4RD. And Janita, just look at this photo. You have had such a fantastic positive transition into your new class and key stage, and already you are building great relationships with the adults and the peers in your group. You just fit right in. You love playing with Dante, with Brandon and with Morgan, and you spend so much of the day with this beautiful smile. Just look at that photo. Well done, Janita. So now I'm in 4AD and I say a big well done to Jayden. Jayden, you've settled in really well to Sherbourne and your new class. The team are so proud because you're starting to respond so well to musical learning cues. Well done, Jayden, you're a superstar. So the student from 4A that we need to say congratulations to is you, Callum. Callum, you have been so motivated since you've come back in September and you have adjusted so well to the new key stage. You've really matured, Callum. Well done. We're really proud of you. So another young man that we are just so proud of is you, Elliot. Elliot, you've moved into a new key stage and you have just settled in so well. We are so impressed with your resilience. We are so impressed with your attitude towards this new experience. And I think these photos just demonstrate how happy and engaged and brilliant you are. Well done, Elliot. So now I'm moving into Key Stage 5. And my first award for a pupil in Key Stage 5 in 5JF goes to you, Freddie. Freddie, well done. You have been reading every morning during registration and 2020. You've been engaging with your books, making observations about the characters and linking these with your own experience. Well done, Freddie. Keep it up. So from 5JL, we need to say a huge well done and congratulations to Liam. Liam, you have come back to school with such a fantastic attitude and your confidence continues to develop, and that is something that we are really proud of. Not only that, you have been a fantastic role model to the new students in your class. Liam, you've been an absolute pleasure to welcome back to school. Well done, keep that up, fantastic. Next, we say a big well done to Jacob in 5C. Jacob, your transition into sixth form has gone so well. You have been using your voice to communicate preferences and choices, and you have been repeating key words just brilliantly. Jacob, the staff are so proud of you. Well done, Jacob. So next we go into 5S and we say a huge well done, congratulations to Taranpreet. Taranpreet, we are always amazed by how incredible you are, but you have been confidently using your electric wheelchair and your communication aid in school with such effect. Taranpreet, you just keep going from strength to strength. Taranpreet, you're a superstar. Well done. So my final Head Teachers Award for this month goes to somebody in 5M. Well done, Matthew. Matthew, you really have been working so hard with your use of symbols, and you are now sequencing the symbols for the day of the week really, really well. Matthew, you've been brilliant since September. You just keep it up. We're so proud. Well done, Matthew. So I just want to finish by saying a big well done to everybody that's received an achievement award today. We're really, really proud of everything that you've done, but we're also really proud of all of the children and young people at Sherbourne. It's been quite a challenge coming back to school with all of the new routines that we're having to adhere to, but you're all doing so, so well. We hope that in future our achievement assemblies will be back in the hall, but until then we're going to do it like this. So keep trying hard, keep working hard in lessons, and you never know, next month you may well be one of those people to get a Head Teachers Award. Well done, everybody.